Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating this beautiful makeup look using very budget friendly and affordable products. I don't really know how to do intros, so yeah. Start. Here's a little highlighting concealer. Here is my normal tone concealer. A little bit of color correction around my mouth using these two colors. That's some concealer here as well. And you know the rule, put the concealer and let it sit. You need a bronzer. Basically I don't have any, so I'm gonna use a brown toned lipstick that I have, but this is not even brown. What should I use? I don't know. Is this brown? No, this is clearly not brown, but let's try this on. Okay, it is called muted brown, but yeah, let's see. I'm gonna blend it upwards, obviously. Ignoring it. Please ignore my puffy eyes also. I've not slept very well. Let's contour my nose for the very first time. I've never ever done this in my life. Okay, a little bit here. Little like a tiny bit here. To make a circle, right? Okay, now how do I blend this out? Like upwards. Okay. Now which side do I blend this out to? Okay, let me do this. I saw this on like Hailey Bieber's recent video. She does this. I know I look funny, but let me try blending that out. Why am I not blending it properly? Like, okay, not the product you should use. This was a kajal. Okay, let me do my concealer now. Not get it too close to the eye. Blend it downwards. Then you can take a little bit of product, just tiny bit, and then take it out. Okay. Let me wipe off my. Now come here, very important. Let me show you how to realistically overline your lip. You follow your natural lip line on the corners. Done. Perfect. Now for the middle part, just over your line. Let's fill the corners. successfully overlined my lips without them looking weird. And that's it. You have your pouty lips. Whatever I normally do, okay? I don't have a brown blush or a contour or a bronzer. So sorry about that. I'm just gonna do a regular pink blush. I want it. That matcha look now, with that bronzer and all. Because I love doing that. Also putting it on my eyelid to give them some kind of color. Okay. A powder blush. Because just a cream blush never lasts, for me at least. I don't know about others. On my face, never. So I have to put some powder blush over it. Okay, this thing would be eye. Very, very important. Let's take the same brown cleanser that I tried using as contour. I mean, you don't have to worry about it being perfect or not. You just put it. Okay, don't worry. We will be smoking that out, so you don't. I hope it's not too dark. Let me try. Okay, now whatever. I'm gonna put it on my lid. That will blend the. Oh shit. What color of eyeshadow is this? Oh, it's black. I thought it's brown. Okay. It has become patchy also. Okay. Let's try to fix this. Now time for a real brown eyeshadow. And smudge it all out. I'm using the same brush. You can use a different brush. Lower lash. A very tiny wing I'm gonna make. Like super tiny. Let's try this. Okay, no. Okay, that's it. If I do too much, then it could ruin the whole look. And one more thing that I saw from Holly's video was putting mascara only on the outer lash, like from mid to the out, not on complete. So let's try that. Let's see how it looks. I mean, last night I was doing Apo standby, so I was just watching makeup tutorials, which I've loved watching since, I don't know, since I got a phone and internet. Maybe before that, when my sister had a phone. Did it do something to my eye? I don't know. seriously use this for everything, as you saw and you can tell. Okay, that's beautiful. Now taking it up a notch with this brown lipstick. I don't really like this, but we can tolerate it for today. So take this and put it over here. Let me do my inner corners at least, okay? Should I do like a brown? Ooh, I like it. This, my friends, is the makeup look.